All right, I can kind of give you an idea of what this will be like once you have your new courses next year. So like here's my current courses I have now. So if you go up here where it says my courses, you'll just click on that. And then right here where it says archive, you click on that. And then now every course that I've ever had on Schoology is now on here. So you just go and find the course where your videos are at, and then you click where it's in the blue, and then it's going to take you to whatever that old course was, and then all of your stuff will be there. And then if you want to copy it to a new course that you'll have next year, you just come over here to this gear and then hit copy to course. And then all of your new courses will be there, and you just click on the one that you want it to go to and then hit copy folder, and then it'll transfer everything over to your new course for you. But once we're back at school, if you need me to show and help you walk through this again, I definitely can.